There are many kinds of trucks. They are used to do many kinds of jobs. The workers who come to our neighborhood often use trucks to help them do their jobs. Sometimes the trucks they use are specially designed for the jobs that need to be done. Let's see what some of these jobs are and how trucks help in getting the jobs done. Workers often use trucks to bring things to our neighborhood. This truck delivers bread. Inside the truck, bread and other baked goods are kept in drawers and sliding trays. With his truck, the delivery man can bring fresh bread directly to his customers every day. This driver is using the special equipment on his truck to help him deliver a new refrigerator to a customer. The tailgate of the truck is like an elevator. It lowers the driver and his load to the street easily and safely. In some neighborhoods, the mailman delivers the mail in a three-wheeled truck like this one. He keeps the letters in the front of his truck and the packages in the back. With its single front wheel, the truck can easily turn around in small places. The door of the truck is high and wide, so that the mailman can step in and out quickly. Workers also use trucks to help take things away from our neighborhood. They use a trash truck, like this one, to help keep our neighborhood clean. It has special equipment which lifts the heavy trash cans and empties them. The truck has high sides so that it can hold a great deal of trash. Using trucks like this, workers can take away the trash from many homes. Other workers use other kinds of trucks to take things away from our neighborhood. When someone wants to move, moving men use a large truck called a moving van to help them. The movers use a wooden bridge called a ramp to move furniture into the van. A moving van can hold all the furniture from several homes. Using a moving van, workers can carry all the things in a home to other neighborhoods, near and far. Workers also use special trucks to help them do repair work in our neighborhood. This dump truck is used to pour hot asphalt into a hole in the street. With a rake, a worker smooths the asphalt over the place to be patched. A pickup truck and trailer was used to bring a heavy roller to help finish repairing the street. Here is another neighborhood job. This street light is burned out. Workers use this special truck to help them replace the bulb. A metal foot helps keep the truck steady. The repairman climbs into a box above the truck. The box lifts the repairman up to the lamp. Then he can easily and safely reach the burned out bulb to replace it. Using a truck like this one, workers can easily keep streetlights in our neighborhood burning brightly. Sometimes an emergency occurs in our neighborhood. A fire must be put out. Firemen come quickly in their fire truck to put out the fire. Each fireman knows his own job. The fire truck carries many things the firemen will need. Their truck is specially designed to help them put out the fire. With their special training and well-equipped fire truck, firemen handle many emergencies in our neighborhood. Workers use many special kinds of trucks to help them do important jobs in our neighborhood. They bring to us many of the things we need. They carry away many things, and they help us in other ways. What special kinds of trucks have you seen in your neighborhood?